Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to give you another little update of this just quick video of the robins. They're so big. They're huge. They're already out of the nest. I don't think they're flying yet, but there's 4 of them and they're huge. Now see that bird right up there? That bird has a nest now in the fern. So there's a nest there, and now there's a nest right here. So I don't want to disturb the nest, but I do want you guys to see it. I don't know if you guys can see the nest or not, but it is up there. I don't know if it's back here, but yes, there is a nest, and then there's the robins, and then there's the mother bird. That's a worm. I'll try to